Are you looking for an easy way to add a pop of color to your space? We got your back with these DIY colored epoxy kits from coloredepoxies.com. Just like the other epoxies, our epoxy is a 2-to-1 mix ratio. It's a 2-part A to a 1-part B. Comes in 3 different sizes, a 15-gallon kit, a 3-gallon kit, and quart kits. All systems, again, will always come in 3 units of 3 cans to represent 2 A's and 1 B. Whether you're a DIYer or an experienced professional, our system is very easy to use. We have a 30-minute pot life, and we have a 2.5-hour open air time. We have 12 colors in stock and ready to go. If you're unsure of your square footage, go right to coloredepoxies.com. We have a square foot calculator. All you need to do is add your square footage, pick your flake application, pick your metallic application, whatever it may be, or quartz application. Our system will give you exactly the quantities that you need without selling you anything more than what you need. We sell you exactly what you need for the amount of square footage you need to cover. Any other questions, you just call us, always at 866-608-7625. Visit us today at coloredepoxies.com. We are the #1 DIY company for all epoxy needs. See you soon and take care.